Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this video, I will be explaining about chapter 3, word problems involving ratio, proportion, and percentage. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia. I'm from group 6. On this occasion, I would like to explain about vocabulary, question on video, and some example. The first one is vocabulary. Number 1 is angle. In bahasa, angle is sudut. The definition, an angle is an area formed by two lines whose starting point are the same or meet each other. So for the example of angle, we can say the picture. Number 2 is protector, or in bahasa we can say busur. The definition of protector is a tool that can be used to measure and from angles. So we can say we can see the picture for the protector. Number 3 is leg, or in bahasa we can say panjang. The definition, leg is dimension of an object that stage the distance between the ends. The legs is here. Number 4 is width, or in bahasa we can say lebar. The definition, width is a horizontal line that stretches shorter than the length. We can see the width is over here. Number 5 is distage, or in bahasa we can say jarak. The definition, distage is numerical measure that show how far the position of an object from another object. Number 6 is percent, or in bahasa we can say percent. The definition, percent is a form of number that represents all or part of a value or item by forming a ratio of 100. For the example is 40%. Number 7 is percentage, or in bahasa we can say persentase. The definition, percentage is a relative value indicating 100 parts of any quantity. 1%, simple H, 1% is 100 parts. Thus, 100% represent the entirety and 200% specify twice the given quantity. For the example, 1% of 1,000 chickens equals 1 divided by 100 of 1,000, or 10 chickens, 20% of the quantity is 20 divided by 100, 1,000 or 200. Number 7 is height, or in bahasa we can say tinggi. The definition, height is a measurement of how tall a person or thing is. Height also can be said as the distance from the top of the bottom or of something. So for the example, Jenny's height is 163 meters. Number 9 is base, or in bahasa we can say alas. The definition, generally based in the bottom part of an object on which it rests. Base is also the lowest part of something. In geometry, base is the side on which a polygon rests on, but the top is also called base when it is parallel to the bottom. And the last is side, or in bahasa we can say sisi. The definition, side is one of line segment that make a flat or two-dimension shape, or one of the face that make a solid or three-dimension object. For side, we can see the picture in here. Next is the video on question. The question, James went to a Jeffrey's shop and there was a 30% discount on all his fruit. Today, James bought 6 guava, 30% off for $12.60. The next day, James bought 2 guava at the original price, or without a discount. What is the original price James will need for the 2 guavas? The solution, 30% of one guava is only today. So 6 guavas equals $12.60, the sale of price. The full price of the 2 pieces of guava. Suppose x equal cost of 6 guava at full price. Full price of 6 guava minus the number of discount for the price of 6 guava equals the price of 6 guava with a discount. The operation like this. X minus 0.30x equals $12.60. 0.70x equals $12.60. So, we can $12.60 divided by 0.70. So the value of x is $18. X equals $18 is the full price of 6 guava. To find out the price of 1 guava, then $18 divided by 6 equals $3. Back to the question, what is the full price that James need on the 2 guavas? So 2 guavas times $3 equals $6. So the price of 2 guava is $6. So it's example. First one is example 2. The question, and advertisement for toothpaste claim that 4 out of 5 dentists recommended a certain brand. A consumer group wanted to check the accuracy of this claim and surveyed 180 dentists. How many dentists will they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? So for the solution, in solving the problem above, we can use two methods. The first one is using schema the ratio. Using schema the ratio of doctors who recommend it and who do not recommend it is 4 to 1. For example, R is the doctor who recommended it, and D is the doctor who does not recommend it. The ratio is R, 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 D. R as much as 4 and D as much as 1. And the total number of doctors is 180. The comparison of the number of group doctors is 180 divided by 5 equals 36 people. So the dentist who recommended the brand is 4 times 36 equals 144 doctors. And dentists who do not recommend the brand is 1 times 36 equals 36 doctors. And the two method is using an algebraic approach. The first one is to let x the number of groups. Number of those who recommend it is 4x, and number of those who do not recommend it is x. So the operation like this: 4x plus x equals 180. 4x plus x is 5x equals 180. We can divide both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 equals 180 divided by 5. So the value of x equals 36. There will be the dentist who recommended the brand is 4 times 36 equals 144 doctors. And the dentist who do not recommend the brand is 1 times 36 equals 36 doctors. So the number of dentists they would expect to not recommend this brand is 36. So is example 4. The question, Jason is Chris' older cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 to 5. In the 5 years, Chris' age will be far more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boys now? So the solution, let's x is multiplied of the ratio their age. Chris' age is 5x and Jason's current age is 9x. So from the sentence, in the 5 years, Chris' age will be far more than half of Jason's age. And we know the Chris' age plus 5 equals a half Jason's age plus 5 plus 4. Substitution givens. The Chris' age plus 5 equals a half Jason's age plus 4. 5x plus 5 equals a half times 9x plus 5 plus 4. 5x plus 5 equals a half times 9x is 4.5x, and a half times 5 is 2.5 plus x. 5x plus 5 equals 5 equals 4.5x plus 9.5. 5x minus 4.5x equals 6.5 minus 5. 0.5x equals 1.5. 6.5 minus 5 is 1.5. So the value of x is 3. Substitution x equals 3. Freeze courage h is 5 times 3 equals 15. And Jason courage age is 9 times 3 equals 27. So their age now is Chris age is 15 years old and Jason age is 27 years old. Next is example 6. The question Charlotte Candy Stands sells a popular mixture of two of her candies which sell for $2.70 and $1.95 pounds. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 to 5. If Carlette sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during the coming month, she will have revenue of $928.20, which would be the same as if she sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and what price does she sell for it? The solution, the key of the problem is the revenue would be the same as if she sold each type of candy separately, since the ratio of the candies and the mixture is 3 to 5. As assessment, the £3 plus £5 equals £8 was sold. Let's egg equals the multiplied of pounds of candy. Number of pounds of expensive candy is 3x, and number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x. The total number of pounds sold equals 3x plus 5x equals 8, 8x. The model gives us the equation number of pounds of expensive candy times $2.70 plus number of pounds of cheaper candy times $1.95 equals total revenue. 3x times $2.70 plus 5x equals $1.95 equals $928.20. $8.10 x plus $9.75 x equals $928.20. $17.85 x equals $928.20. So the value of x equals 52. The measure is in simply substitution x equals 52 to total number of pounds sold. X equals 8 times 52 equals 460 pounds. The selling price for 1 pounds is $928.20 divided by 418 418 pounds equals $2.20. 23 cents over the pounds. Therefore, 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 for 4,000 4,016 pounds of the mixture is in supply and shell for $2.23 per pound. So for the cake, pounds of expensive candy is 3 times 52 equals 156 pounds. 150 times $2.70 equals $421.20. Pounds of sugar candy is 5 times 52 equals 260 pounds. 260 pounds times $1.95 equals $507. So the total revenue is $421.20 plus $507 equals $928.20 is correct. Next is example 7. The question: among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2 half cups of regular sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. The direction indicate that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? The solution: the amount of regular sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. Let M is amount of regular sugar for 12 people. Amount of regular sugar for 8 people divided by 8 equals amount of regular for 12 people divided by 12. So the operation like this: 2 half divided by 8 equals m divided by 12. A half divided by 8 equals m divided by 12. M times 8 equals 2 and a half times 12. M times 8 equals 30. M times 8 equals 30. M equals 30 divided by 8. M, we can both of number M equals 15 divided by 8. Both of numerator and denominator divided by 2. So the value of M equals 3 and 3 over 4. And the B, the amount of brown sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Let N equals amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Amount of brown sugar for 8 people divided by X equals amount of brown sugar for 12 people divided by 12. A quarter divided X equals n divided by 12. A quarter divided by 8 equals n divided by 12. 8n equals a quarter times 12. 8n equals 3. 8n divided by 8 equals 3 divided by 8. 8n divided by 8 equals 3 divided by 8. So the n equals 3 divided by 8. So for 12 people need 3 and 3 over 4 cups of regular sugar and 3 over 8 cups of brown sugar. That's all my explanation about vocabulary question on video and example. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.